po yan, backtrack a bit lang tayo. Nung una, ang nag-handle nung committee na yan, ang chairman ng committee na yan, si Senator Laila De Lima. Pinalit si Gordon. The fact na siya yung pinalit, ibig sabihin, bata siya ni Duterte. Poproteksyonan niya si Duterte. And that's exactly what happened. Yun yung reason for existence ni Gordon to defend and protect Duterte. Kaya nga, binansagan ko yan na committee de absuelto kasi talagang he was there. He was placed there to make sure that Duterte and his family are protected. At that time, feeling niya siguro, Mr. Duterte, mission accomplished ako sa iyo. Ang nangyari nun, kayo na lang magdikit nito. Tinanggal itong si Martin Dino sa Subic, tapos may tao siya pinalit doon. Ginagaslight niya yung mga tao pretending na he was against Duterte right from the very start. Hindi yon. He was with Duterte. He was an enabler of Duterte.